Everybody, and good afternoon to all the managers that took time to come here. I know it's busy schedules and so how are you guys doing? Good. How are you really doing? For the people that's got managers here, I think they're maybe a bit more nervous. I guess you never thought you're going to see nervous Nelly standing here again talking to people. Remember the first time we stood up here talking to people? We were all nervous, your throat was banging here and your... So if there's anything that I've learned more confidence from David. I'm now not scared standing here anymore talking to all you people. So we all got the tools. David gave us tools in that file that you've got. So if you take that tools, you're gonna be better at the end of the day. Remember the one video said 1%. If you do 1% a day, at the end of the year, you're what, 10.5% better? Or times better, yeah. So we want to thank David for all his effort. He was always positive and he was always energetic helping us. And we want to thank Dinah for their perfect or great course that they gave us. And I want to say thank you to you guys. Thank you very much.